Welcome back to another episode of Excel is Easy with Nav. Today, we're going to learn about the unique function and use of SUMIF function to analyze the data in no time. We have covered SUMIF function in tutorial number 5. So, if you have not watched that tutorial, please do so. You should be able to see a card in top right corner. Let's move on now. Unique function is a fantastic tool for identifying unique values in a dataset. Let's dive into a realistic scenario. Imagine you're an HR manager handling employee expense reimbursements. You have a list of employees who have submitted expenses, and you want to find out how many unique employees have submitted reimbursement requests. And then you will need to find a total sum that needs to be reimbursed to each of those employees. The unique function can help us identify unique employees from the list, and then we can apply SUMIF function to get the total amount for each employee. Let's see how it works. In cell F6, we will type equal unique, open parenthesis, and then select range, which is B6 to B43, because we want unique employee names. The space for by column and exactly once in the syntax are optional, so we can ignore that. Now, close the parenthesis and enter. Brilliant. There are 6 unique employees that have submitted their expenses. Now, we need to find how much do you need to reimburse to each of them. We will apply SUMIF function to get the total. Let's start with John. In cell G6, type equal SUMIF, open parenthesis, and then select the range which is B6 to B43. Now let's make this range an absolute reference to fix it just in case, if we have to copy-paste the SUMIF across to other cells, which we will. For criteria, I will now select cell F6 and keep the reference relative or flexible. And then for sum range, I will select range C6 to C43 as the expense amount is in column C. Make sure our sum range is an absolute reference as well. Now close the parenthesis and press enter. There we have our total reimbursement amount for John. Now let's copy cell G6 and paste it across all the way to cell G11. Voila! We have our total reimbursement amount for each employee. Excel made it look easy, isn't it? Now, it's your turn. Practice unique and SUMIF function with your own data and master data analysis in Excel. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment if there is anything I can help you with. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe button so that you don't miss my daily updates. I will see you in the next video.